Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to locate your iPhone 17 Pro using Find My application. So if you're in that situation when you misplaced your iPhone 17 Pro, then Find My application can help you track it down quickly. So what I'm gonna do here is grab your another Apple device and open Find My application on that another device. And then, as you can see, your Find My application is divided into 4 sections at the bottom side of your screen, and you need to go to Devices tab. And from this list, from the list of your devices, you need to tap your iPhone 17 Pro that you're looking for, and basically its location will appear on the map. So if your phone is nearby, you can tap button Play Sound to make your iPhone ring, and it will make a sound even if it's on silent mode. So you can always hear, for example, if you lost your iPhone in your house and you need to find it, then you will simply hear that sound and it will help you find your iPhone 17 Pro. But if, for example, if your iPhone is farther away, you can tap Directions button, so that in your Apple Maps you will have navigation to location of your iPhone. So yeah, that's basically how you can locate your iPhone 17 Pro with Find My application. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.